Hey, you're doing an evergreen and you automate a lot of work with it. And you still sit in front of your computer and wait for questions via email or, waiting for questions. They have, because it's an automated webinar and they have questions. What about having a mobile app and a free third-party service that's just ringing you when there's new questions? And if you're not available because you're in a direct call, then it will go to the ticket system. So that's good. I use it since years for a lot of occurrences. So this is like a chat with more than one. So that's already, I've chatted already a lot to test. You can search the knowledge base for Talk To, for example. And then they don't ask you the questions because the knowledge base already giving it to them. Or they can do a new conversation. So that's what you get. You can have it here, or you can have it here in overlay, and then you just do like 500 width, max width. You can only have it once per webinar. And also if you have like this bubble on the bottom, not working. I have the bubble on the bottom with the Talk To plugin on WebinarIgnition.com. And so WebinarIgnition was just striping it out, so you have it only once, so the code can load only once. If you have a VPN, then this Talk To could be also blocked. Disable your VPN, virtual private network, because they are blocking it because they had a lot of attacks through it. So that's my admin view, that I can pause the webinar, and that's the group chat for socializing, and that's the one-on-one chat for direct questions. Okay, let's do what's Talk To. It's free, just sign up, and it's live chat, ticketing, knowledge-based, chat-based, team chat, and more. And you're logged in as it's free. And then there's something very important. You can't use this code because you see the starting is with a script. You need embed, and then you see it's starting with a div, and that's it. Copy and done, and you will see here that's the embed code. And this needs to be going to a newly created or existing webinars. Select webinar, evergreen or live. Go to auto webinar or webinar room. Go to webinar actions. You can also do it in modern tabs. I suggest do it in auto webinar actions. So from 0 to 20. And then it's important that you go for test text here. The right one, that's the chat already. So this message is somehow not so clever. Because it's inside and it's scrolling more. You see here, it's taking so much space, but it's also okay. You can add also this question here, but I didn't do it. So I go to text. If you want to add some text above, it's good, but here it goes, the whole thing. Only once. I've tried everything. I talked to them. Not possible. Only one. So if you clone it, it will not show. So only one. And so that's sure it's showing up. Add time. Let's do something different because I like to show you how does it look in overlay. You just switch to overlay and do 500 max pics. Don't add the pics, we have it already. So it was taking the minutes, 1 minute and 18. We just hold the shift, reload for browser hard reset. 1 minute 18. Oh, what's going on here? That could happen. Asset overlay, talk saving. Yeah, if there's some issues, also hold shift. That's when you write big letters and reload. Go here and that's overlay. So that's good. So we are working on a new backend. Maybe will be released this year, but it's like doing everything. Yeah, now it's good. So here's the chat. Viewing this, here's the chat. And as I have a very small window, it's not the full height. So for me, it's wonderful. And you can make it even a bit smaller. And you see it's also above each other stacked. And yeah, this could be, it's only just for showing. I like to have it in tab again. Yeah, that's what you can do. Here, it's open just the last message. Okay, so this is like what I can offer you. Third party integrated, and you see the call to action. Yeah, have fun and stay connected, but not sit in front of your computer. Just enable your mobile phone as an answering center, or you can have more staff persons doing it.